Okay guys, you see this cube here? Look, this is all you need to do to solve it. Seriously, it actually does work. I'm not, seriously, I can do it again. It does work. See? It literally does work. Honestly. Again. I know I keep on saying it does work, but I know some of you won't believe me, but easy. Just too easy. Look, these cubes are actually, when you first get them, they're actually quite hard, these ones. When you first get them, I'm not saying, you know, like, always, but when you first get them, they are quite hard because you don't know, really. But, yeah. I don't understand. I was literally just fiddling with this cube doing this, and then it just worked. And also, you've seen other people. There's some other people doing it by the 3x3, and it works. It's not true. It's not true, guys. I've been trying it. It doesn't work. Well. Yeah. Easy. No, not easy, but easy way to solve it. Jeez. Done. Anyway, bye.